What's up, everyone? This is Kenny here from Public Stories. So today I'm going to answer a question for public. Question sounds like this. Does MRTA/MRTT covers natural death due to old age or i.e. natural death? The answer is yes, it does cover natural death. Okay? Any kind of death after the first year. If it's the first year, if you commit suicide, if death due to suicide, it doesn't cover. Okay? If this term sounds familiar to you, it's because why? Because life insurance term is also the same thing. You know what's the difference between MRTA, MRTT, and your life insurance that you buy outside? The difference is that who owns the policy. Okay? In life insurance, you own the policy. So if death and TPD happen to you, you get the payout. Your beneficiary get the payout. Okay? MRTA, MRTT, you co-own the policy with the bank, hence the name mortgage in front, mortgage. Okay, so the policy is limited, okay, by the loan tenure, maximum 35 years or cover till the age of 70, whichever is earlier. Okay, so anything will happen to you, in this case death, the MRTA will pay out to the bank first to settle your loan. Anything extra only pass to your beneficiary. Okay, but for life insurance, it will pay out immediately to your beneficiary upon confirmation that you have already faced death or total permanent disability. Okay, so that's the difference between that. Just one minor difference, but very, very important. Okay, I hope that clarifies the question. For you all, and if you have any more questions, I appreciate it if you just leave it down in the comments down below. Okay, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do hit subscribe. There's more real estate, business, personal finance content coming your way. Bye-bye.